Guys on YouTube, in this tutorial I want to show to you if you have this kind of problem here all the time. You have to clean it up. You get tired of this. You have to clean up every month. You know, this thing come up and you want to walk around, be safety, nothing in your way. The only tool you need is this thing. Look, you got to do it like that. Clean it up first. Look what I did here. You prepare the area where you want to work, and that's what you need, the same. This is the only thing you need, same. Look what I did here. This thing keep me hairy all the time. You look like that ugly. And look the difference. Now it's guaranteed to me not gonna be in the way. Look, nice. You see the mango come out beautiful because they feel clean. Everything, the tomato, you know, they have to be organized and clean. You see the different, guy? That's the different. Look how nice. You go with the child, make it thing level. Look. You see how beautiful coming? 1, 2, 3. The only thing you need is the same. Look. You step on it. Look, the same, not let this crazy thing come out there. We want to keep it clean all the time. Look how beautiful. Look, you make it level like that. Look, this is the only tool you need to clean it up. And the same, all the same I have for free because I pull it out and said to go to the ocean. I collect it. Look how beautiful coming. Nice and easy. You come in here, mouse, its neck can be high there, it's not good. Look. Rosemary now she's gonna be happy. Okay, girl? Baby, I love you, baby. Look how beautiful she look. Okay, guys, look. Nice, you know? Look the difference. It's a cute difference from here to there. You see? Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. God bless all of you. Share with your family and friends. Hasta la vista, baby.